Good morning, class. How are you? I am Primita, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss the next topic, 12th class geography chapter 10, human settlement. In the previous video, we have discussed about what is settlement, what are its types. So in the first video, we have discussed the rural settlement, the rural patterns, which type of settlements and which type of problems people have to face who are settled in villages. So in today's video, we will be discuss the urban settlement. You all are aware that those persons who are settled in urban areas, they are achieving better facilities, but they are also facing some type of problems like that pollution due to more smoke of industries, different type of pollution, soil, water pollution, soil pollution, sound pollution, like that. Let us start the topic. Classification of urban settlement. Now, urban settlement is clear to all. Then how can we classify that? So, in primary, secondary and tertiary activities also we have discussed the economic activities. Like that, we will discuss that population size. In urban areas, the people came from the nearby rural areas in search of job, in search of better life facilities like education, health, transportations. So, the size of population is the main factors of urban settlement. Day by day, the population increasing in urban areas. People are migrating from the rural areas to urban centers. Next one is occupation structure. In those areas, people are settled more where they are finding job opportunities, where the better climate, living standard is good, and education and health facilities provided by government or maybe by the private agencies, people like to settle in those areas. Next one is the administration. Administration means those cities which are the capital city of the states or of the countries. These are most populated cities. For example, Delhi, the capital city of India, and London, the capital city of UK, England. Next one, location. The classification of urban settlement also depend on location. Those areas which are lies near the industrial region are most populated because the people are able to find good job. So in those areas where most of the administration offices are there, or maybe in those areas where the people are getting job for the mining activity, for the industrial areas as a worker, as a machine operators, like that, in those areas people are settled from the rural to the urban. Our next topic is the functions. On the basis of functions, how can we classify the urban settlement? So firstly, we will discuss the same thing here, administrative. Those cities which are the capital of a country are most populated because most of the MPs, MLAs, the capital city is the residence of that. For example, India, Delhi is the metropolitan city, capital city and most populous city of the country. Because of it is here is the residence of the Prime Minister and the President. So, this is the main factor. The administrative cities are the populated areas, populated cities. Most of the people want to live in those areas, want to live in these cities due to more facilities. Next one is trading and commerce. Those areas, those cities which are lies in the coastal areas, near the coast, like that Mumbai and Chennai. For the trading system and commerce, people are settled in search of job and for their business. So these areas also populated due to the trading system and commercial system. Next one is the pilgrimage centers. Yes, first of all, the people were settled in the administrative areas or maybe for the trading purposes, and third one is the pilgrim center. Different communities are living together in our country. We are taking example of our country. So Muslim goes to church, and we can say the pilgrim of Hajj, and Hindus go to temples, for example, in Puri or Haridwar. So these are the pilgrim centers which are the populated urban areas. Next one is types of urban settlement. Like the rural settlement we will discuss here. The urban settlements towns, the lifestyles of that person who are living in these areas are better than the rural areas. So little bit facilities are providing to the communities in this particular region. Next one is cities. The lifestyle of cities are better than town. There is more development than these areas. Next one is the million city. In the million cities, the population of a city is more than 1 million. Those cities are known as million cities. Next one is conurbation. In these cities, the developed areas and underdevelopment regions are divided separately, like that London and Tokyo. London is the capital city of UK, England, or we can say Britain, and Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. Next one is megalopolis, the union of conurbation. So in this, those countries include whose population is more than 10 million. New York became the first in 1950. So we have discussed that these are the types of the rural settlement, urban settlements. So now we will discuss which type of problem are faced in urban areas. Problems of urban settlement. Like the rural settlement, so many problems are there. First one is unplanned cities. In developing and underdevelopment countries, most of the cities are settled unplanned. Next one is lack of infrastructure. We are taking the example of our own country. 25% people are living in slums or in illegal settlements. So there is a lack of residence, lack of houses for them. Next one is the economic problem. Most of the people are not able to fulfill the basic needs. Even then, clothing, housing, and food items. Socio-culture. Most of the people are not able to send their children to school. So there is problem of education and employment. They are not able to find job. Next one is the male migration. Really, in developing countries or developed countries also, where the most priority is given to men as a worker. So from the rural areas, the people, male workers are migrating from rural to urban. Next one is the main problem we are facing in modern era due to industrialization, that is environmental problem. Many types of pollution is there: air pollution, soil pollution, sound pollution, water pollution due to industrialization and due to use of traditional fuel for burning, for cooking. There is main problem which is the main cause of different types of disease: dirty water, supply of unclean water, and sewerage problem. There is no plan for the disposal of the industrial waste. So on the behalf of today's video, you will be write 2 long questions. This type of problems are faced in urban settlement and classify the urban settlement. Thank you. Have a nice day.